Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is ANOME coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see current price is $0.07606. It is up by 8%. Rank is around 1660 position. Around 12k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $2.28 million and the volume in 24 hours is $9.08 million. It is down by 0.15%. Now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. Okay, so you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So if you go to daily chart also, you can see candles went to the resistance level, little fall happened, again went up, and then continuously the fall was happening. Okay, so previously you can see candles were moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, so this is the support trend line, and then after you can see the breakout happened and then candle started falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall was happening, and you can see after this fall here you can see candles went up. Now continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the 4 hours chart also, you can see that candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So previously you can see candles were moving in a upward direction, and now you can see candles are falling continuously. So here you can see that candles may come down to the support level. Okay, and then it may go up again, the fall again go up. So like this it may move in this channel pattern, and then if the breakout happens then candles may move little sideways, and then finally after the breakout, okay, so candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so it may move little sideways after hitting this support. Okay, and then if the breakout happens it may start moving in a upward direction. So like this it is moving in this channel pattern. So previously you can see candles were moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, and then breakout happened, continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. RSI is also confirming that it is falling continuously, and when the reversal takes place you may see a breakout here. Okay, so now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is the official 67 coin or 67 coin, and you can see current price is $0.01939 dollar. It is up by 23%. Rank is around 771 position. Around 1k users are following this cryptocurrency, and the market cap is $19.39 million. It is up by 9%. Volume in 24 hours is around $4.45 million. It is down by 36%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart, and let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and you can see that continuously the candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see after this candles came down to support, and then candle started moving in a upward direction. So it has gone to the resistance level, and now you can see candles are falling. Okay, so previously you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance, and then you can see candles were moving little sideways. Okay, so after this breakout candles went up, and then little fall happened, and then after the breakout it has started moving in a upward direction. So this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were moving up, and now you can see the breakout has happened. So candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So candles may come down to the support level, so it may fall continuously, and after the breakout it may start moving towards the resistance level. So like this the candles are moving in this channel pattern. You can see that very clearly. So if you go to the 4 hour chart, you can see very clearly how these candles are moving. Okay, and continuously the candles are falling now. Okay, so from here it may fall and then it may go up. So like this it is falling continuously. So RSI is also confirming that already the candles have gone up to the resistance level, and now you can see the downtrend has started. So candles may fall continuously in this fall down to the support, and then it may go up. So like this, it may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. You can see that, and it may come to this support that is around 0.003078, and if the breakout happens, it may go to the resistance level, which is around 0.059825. so like this, it is moving in this channel pattern. So first downtrend, and then after the breakout, the uptrend may start. So previously also you can see downtrend was going on, and then after the breakout, you can see candles went up, little fall happened, then after this you can see breakout happened, it went to this resistance level. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.